in here. Let's dump it all in. John's gonna spray. Good job, John. Now I'm gonna carefully unwrap the Venus Flytrap. Oh, it's pokey. I'm gonna put the moss around the rhizome. The rhizome is the bottom part of the plant. And look at all these leaves. The leaves are gonna eat bugs later. It's time to do the nest. John is putting a handful of dirt. Now I'm going to put the little nest into the pot. Here's the plant. It eats small bugs and insects. The Venus Flytrap is like any plant. It has roots, it has a stem, and it has a flower. That you have to put dirt in and then a seed and then it'll grow up. Plants need water, nutrients, and space to grow. The stem holds up the plant. The leaves make food. You know the food plants make sugar and they make all the food in their leaves. They make sunlight to make their food. This is a close-up version of a plant cell. There's a lot of different parts. This is the cell wall. This is a little jelly bean, but it looks like one, but it's mitochondria. It's the powerhouse of the cell. In the middle is the nucleus. There's other parts of all work together. You're going to learn about that when you get older. Now let's get back to our Venus Flytrap. We need to give it some water. I'm going to pour a little water into it. I'm going to spray its leaf. Look how different these plants are. This is leaf. This is totally different. There's all different kinds of them, but they have some things in common. Look at them grow and they're so big. They have leaves, stems, and roots. Look at them grow. Look at this one. Our Venus Flytrap is neat. It's a bonus stimulus. That book was a stimulus. My sponsor's a giggle. When a fly lands on its leaf, it's gonna respond and eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you for watching the STEAM team with Lily and me. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Bye.